Hi, welcome back. I'm Claudia and today I'm going to be doing a craft room tour. This has been a highly requested video and I thought I'd give you an inside look of how I keep things organized and where I do all of my crafts. I want to start off by saying that this is my bedroom that I share with my husband, obviously, and I'm not going to be showing our full bedroom. I'm only going to be showing this little piece of our bed to give you an idea of how I have everything positioned. But we do have a big bedroom and we have two full closets, which one of them I converted into my storage for my crafts, which is this side. The other side is where my husband and I have our clothes, our shoes, and then we do have a full bathroom in our bedroom. So it's fairly large. Let's start off with this 3-tiered card. It's from Michaels. It's been discontinued. It's from 2 summers ago, but I have my sublimation printer on the bottom, which is the EcoTank 2760. Then I have my EcoTank 3710 and my Air 2 and my Maker on top of that. I do have all of these machines connected to a strip bar connected to the wall, and I turn it off every single night. The power goes off as soon as I'm done with my crafts. I don't keep it on. Then I have a ribbon holder that is nailed to the wall that you can take off as needed. And then I have a shelf that my husband put up with just miscellaneous crafts. And then right next to that, I have my glitters, my confetti, all of my shaker items are here. These containers to the right are from Dollar Tree, and then the clear ones on the left are from Michaels. This long table is from IKEA, and on top of there I have my Cricut mat, my Cricut Joy, a Sizzix with the embossing folders, and a label machine. I do use this area for photographing, and I also assemble whenever I have a large amount of orders. Right underneath it I keep a lot of things. It's organized. I know it looks like a mess, but it's actually pretty organized. I have my boxes, my shipping boxes back there all lined up, and I'm going to show you what I have in each of these containers and boxes. Let's start off with these leopard boxes. On top of that, I just have an acrylic container that I hold cupcake cutouts. I'm just going to put that on the table. We don't need to look at that right now, but let's start off with this leopard box. And here I keep all of my cards, stickers, anything that has to do with card making and stickers I keep in this leopard box that you can actually buy at Hobby Lobby, I believe. Here are some stickers that I have: mermaid stickers, cowboy stickers, flowers, just all kinds of things. This next one is another leopard box that I got at Michaels. These are shoe boxes, and I have all of my ribbons on here, my twine, just have it nicely organized in there. Moving on, I have this clear container that I hold all of my newborn pieces. I used to make gift boxes, and this was part of my newborn gift box collection, and I really need to do something with that because I'm no longer making gift boxes, but I just pretty much put those leopard boxes right on top of there. Next, we have my glitters. I use these for ornaments, to make ornaments at the end of the year, and I like to keep all of those glitters together. Next, we have this pink container where I keep all of my extra confettis, glitters. These are little cupcake pom-poms that I want to make something with eventually. But yeah, this is just what holds all of my confetti and glitters, and I like to keep them all in this container. If you're wondering where you can buy these containers with the colored lids, they're all from Michaels. And these are just the baskets that I use to sort my orders. I just pile them all on top of each other and keep them there. This blue one holds all of my wood pieces, dowels, cupcake sticks, centerpiece sticks, wooden ornaments that I will be selling during Christmas time. This is that container that holds all of the wood stuff. This teal container holds shredded filler paper from the Dollar Tree and also my acrylic paints, which are on the bottom. Now I'm going to put everything back, and see, I told you it's an organized mess. It looks cluttered, but it's actually pretty organized, and from time to time I will take everything out and vacuum under there. My window is right above that, and sometimes I get like little spiders, little critters, so I like to go in there and just vacuum and make sure that no one's building a nest back there. Here I have my vinyl 12 by 12 pieces. These are vinyl sheets that I've purchased throughout the years, either on Amazon or at Michael's, and I like to keep them all together. I also have printed vinyl. Anything that has to do with vinyl sheets, I just keep in here. Then I have another container that I bought at Michael's, and here I store my vinyl scraps. I have them color coordinated, and each container holds vinyl scraps, and this just makes it easier whenever I'm doing smaller pieces. I don't have to waste vinyl, and I can just keep them all in here. And this last red container, it holds all of my paper straws. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I have this weird obsession with paper straws, and I like to keep them all in there. And that's all for everything underneath my desk. And here's another view of this side of my craft room. Next, we're going to go on to my actual desk, and on the side of my desk I have a hook that has all of my clean mats. That's my gooseneck that I bought on Amazon, and my lovely view. The desk that I have is new. My husband got it for me for Mother's Day, and it's one of those rising desks that go up and down. I like to use this because I have back problems, and sometimes sitting for too long really hurts my back, so I like to elevate it and work as I stand. But on top of my desk, I like to keep my mat, my pink mat. It's from Amazon, and it's linked in my Amazon favorites. The blue one is from Joann's. I like to use that to work on. And I like to keep my planner, my laptop, and my iPad on my desk, along with my hot glue. It's Surebonder. And then I have my double-sided tape on a jewelry holder. That pink lamp is from Walmart, which I love because it holds my glues. And then right next to that, I have this cabinet that my sister gave to me. It was part of her vanity. And on top of that, I just have this little spinning thing that I keep a bunch of stuff on. I have all of my glitters, shakers. I have diamond dots on that piece, and I got it from Joann's. And in my cabinets, I actually have a lot of random things, to be quite honest. This first one, I like to keep just like my blades, an extra battery, the needles for my glues. Here I like to keep my acrylic sticks, some washi tape. It's kind of organized, kind of not. I mean, I know what I have in each one of these, and so it just works for me. This one here, I keep all of my transfer tapes, some extra double-sided foamies, my hot gun, just like random things, scissors, hole puncher, a little bit of tape. This one I hold another random cabinet. I have extra dowels, I have double-sided foamies, just a bunch of random stuff that I probably should organize eventually. Moving on to this piece, it's from Michael's, and this section is designated for all of my scraps, my paper scraps. Those containers are color coordinated and they hold scraps only. These here are brand new mats that I like to keep there, and these are also some scraps that I need to organize eventually and get through that. On top of here, I just keep like a candle, my little donut piggy bank, and some roses that my husband got me. On top of there, I keep all of my vinyl, like to keep that organized. And then I have my closet. This closet here holds all of my paper, and we're going to start off with these containers. The orange, teal, and clear one holds specialty paper. I'm not going to go through it, just know it's a lot, but it's all textured or specialty paper. These magazine holders hold 8x11 paper, white and black cardstock, and then just some miscellaneous things like sticker paper, transfer paper. These cubbies here are from Michaels and I absolutely love them. They hold my paper so nicely. They keep it nice and organized. I did color coordinate all of it. So I have all of my basil paper here from Joann's, and then I have glitter 12 by 12 towards the end. Here I have, let's get rid of those Starbucks cups because we're not sponsored by Starbucks, but moving on, these are my Printworks cardstock. I only keep Printworks cardstock in those magazine holders. Next to that, I have more cardstock and some acetate sheets. On top, I have my scale. And then on the top part of my closet, I have my mug press, my Cricut Easy Press, Barely Art glue, and just some miscellaneous things. And next, I have my shipping items. I keep in here poly mailers, some shipping tape, kind of random, but I just like to keep it all together and try to keep it organized in there. Next, we have another cabinet that has a bunch of miscellaneous things. These are just extras. I have domes for shakers. I have my ink for my printers, some glitter paper, just miscellaneous things. And this is it. This is my craft area. I just make it work with the space that I have, and I love this area. I love our room. This is literally the space where we create, where we come up with ideas, and I feel truly blessed to have this space. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.